for today, we'll be opening a parcel. I actually ordered a stool for her for taking a bath because for me it's a bit difficult now that she's moving, she's playing with the water. So it came in the parcel actually. Let's start to open it. Oh, I love it. Exactly what is in the shop. So here, and the one that I love here is this. You can see actually the temperature here. The temperature of the baby's bath shouldn't go beyond 36 or 38. The hottest should be 38. And here is, you will just put this like this. Again, now it's locked. And I have here the thing, you know, that stick here. So I'm gonna do is like this. I think it should be like this. Ooh, I don't know how to put this actually. It should be here. It should be like this because this is the one that you will use to stick. Oh, I just need to put it harder, but my hands are too weak to do it. Aray ko. It's the easiest. It's actually going in. Oh, my gulay. My gulay. Ayan, it's actually going in. Konting tulak pa lang. And then it will go inside. Napakahirap naman nitong ilagay. My hands is that strong. Let me see. Okay. I think I need to use stuff here. Ayan, ayan. Okay, almost na. Almost going in. Ayan. Kailangan lang palang i-round siya. Oh, thank you. I managed to put the other one. So here, you just need to put completely the 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Oh, lucky. Actually, they put an extra. This is 8. Oh, I'm very happy with that. You use this to stick it in the tiles or in the basin. There you are. Kunting push pa. Hirap namang ilagay ito. Kailangan ko pang ibiin. Ay. Kailangan ko ibiin siya ng pusto pero hindi ko magawa kasi itong hands ko.